This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pamela Ratfield. Welcome to 4370 Everglades Street, a well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offering comfortable living in the heart of Port Street. John. Featuring a spacious split floor plan, this home provides an inviting living area, a functional kitchen with ample cabinetry and counter space, and a dining area perfect for everyday meals or entertaining. The primary suite offers a private retreat with an ensuite bath, while the additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Step outside to enjoy the backyard with plenty of room for pets, play, gardening, or future outdoor entertaining. Conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, schools, parks, and major roadways, this home offers an easy commute to Kennedy Space Center, Port Canaveral, Orlando, and Florida's beautiful Space Coast beaches. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, looking to downsize, or searching for a great investment opportunity, this property is one you won't want to miss. HVAC 1 2021, Roof 3 2021. For more information, review the details below or contact Pamela Ratfield at 512-663-2660.